All right, Star 1800-2024 Algebra 1, Part 11 by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. 05 3123. Find the temperature in Fahrenheit of your cup of cold ice cream inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer after 0 minutes. Okay, wait, before we do this. If you need money for college right now, need some of this for books, tuition, fees, all that stuff. Okay, what can you do? You can go here. Mom Margie Mexican Cafe, open 24 hours. Great work, great boss, great food. Okay, go out there if you want to. After you do that, you can actually join me for lunch out there in Mustang Island, Padre Island or something. But let's say you don't need money. Do you need money? Nah, you don't need. You got a lot of money. You're a rich person. All right. So now, find the temperature in Fahrenheit of your cup of cold ice cream inside your truck, Texas truck, without AC in the summer after 0 minutes. So you get your ice cream, get your cup of ice cream, there it is. So let's do this logistics function. This is a logistics function. So now f of 0 means put a 0 there, and it's e to 0, because that's going to be 0. E to 0 is 1. 1 times that is going to be 5. So now we have 1 plus 5 is 6, and 190 divided by 6. You can use a calculator if you want to. Is that what you want to do? Sure. Let's do that. What is 190 divided by 6? So 190 divided by 6 is 31.666, a bunch of them. We'll round it off to 31.67. How's that? So the temperature in Fahrenheit of your cup of cold ice cream inside your Texas truck without AC after 0 minutes. You just got in the truck. You got in the truck. Put a thermometer in it. It's going to say 0 minutes in the truck. The temperature is 31.67 degrees. It's freezing cold, ice cold, delicious ice cream. Now, stay in the truck. What happens now? Find the temperature in Fahrenheit of your cup of cold ice cream inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer after 8 minutes. You're in there for 8 minutes now. Use the logistic function again. 8. E to the 8 is this number. E to negative 8. E to negative 8. All this in your calculator is going to give you this. Okay, divide those two numbers. You're going to get 189 point this or 180 point that. So in other words, 8 minutes have gone by and you're inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer, and that ice cream is no longer 32 degrees, whatever it was. Now, 8 minutes they go by, the temperature is going to be 189.68 degrees. It's dangerous hot inside that truck. And your ice cream is dangerous hot now. Find the temperature in Fahrenheit of your cup of cold tea inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer after 0 minutes. Logistic function again. 0, put a 0. It's going to be e to 0. It's going to be 1. That's going to be 5, 1 is 6. 200 divided by 6. This is going to be 33.33 is your temperature in Fahrenheit of your cold tea. So you did. Okay, so after 0 minutes, the temperature is 33.33 is the temperature of your cold tea. It's great. Perfect. Now, what happens? Find the temperature in Fahrenheit of your cup of cold tea inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer after 8 minutes go by. So 8, put an 8 in there. So e to negative 8, calculator. All this number here, 200 divided by that. So now, after 8 minutes, the temperature in Fahrenheit of your cup of cold iced tea, well, it's not ice anymore, so now it's 8 minutes have gone by. It's 199.67 degrees in that cup of tea. So now it's dangerous hot in there. All right. Find the temperature in Fahrenheit of your cup of warm chicken noodle soup. You get some warm chicken noodle soup, and you go inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer. Put it in there. You need a little cup holder. So now 0. So f of 0 is this e to 0. It's going to be e to 0. This is 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 200 divided by 2 is 100. So 0 minutes after you get in there with your warm cup of chicken noodle soup, it's 100 degrees in that cup. So right now, what's the temperature of your cup of warm chicken noodle soup? at 0 minutes in there, it's 100 degrees temperature, Fahrenheit, of course. It's just warm. But then you're inside the truck. What happens now? Find the temperature of Fahrenheit of your cup of warm chicken noodle soup inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer after 8 minutes go by. 8 minutes go by now. Either the 8, it's going to be, use the logistic function again. It's going to be e to the power of -8. All this is this number. Divide those two numbers. I get 199 for that or 199.93. So 8 minutes go by. The chicken noodle soup is no longer the 100. Now it's 108 minutes have gone by in your Texas truck without AC. 199.93 is the temperature of your chicken noodle soup. It's dangerous hot in there. How's that? All right. This is you. Find the temperature in Fahrenheit of your body. You. Inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer after 0 minutes. You get in your truck. No AC. Get inside there. You. So now, this number, at logistic function again. So f of 0 for logistic function is the 0. E to 0 is 1. 1 and 1 is 2. This number divided by 2 is going to give you 98.7. So right now, your body, you, after 0 minutes, your temperature of your body, let me just line this here, that right there, is what? It's 98.7. That's a perfect temperature. There's nothing wrong with you. Okay, you're sitting in there. Now you're going to sit there. Not 0 minutes, but you can sit more, longer. Find the temperature in Fahrenheit of your body inside your Texas truck without AC in the summer after 10 minutes go by. 10 minutes have gone by. Your temperature was what? 98.7. You're good. No fever, nothing. You're good. So -10 in there. Either -10, this one. So all this in the calculator is going to give you this number. So now we divide those two numbers. And we're going to get 97 points this or round it to 97.39. So 10 minutes after you're inside that truck with no AC in the summer in Texas, in 10 minutes, if you're just sitting there, laying there, doing nothing, your temperature is going to jump up to 197.39. You're dangerous hot. You're gone. It's over for you. Dangerous hot. What is the probability you will have an accident driving your Texas truck with a blood alcohol of 0.00? No alcohol, 0.00. You can still have an accident. So now, logistic function, put a 0.00 in there. That's going to be 0. It's going to be either 0 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. So this is going to be 100 divided by 10 is 10. So if your blood alcohol concentration is 0.00, the probability you can have an accident is 10%. In other words, it's Saturday night. You're out there 2 and 3 in the morning. There's all these cars driving around and accidents happen. Okay, now 10%, not too bad. What about this? What is the probability that you will have an accident driving your Texas truck with a blood alcohol of 0.18? 0.18. Bad news, bad news, bad news. Using the logistic function again, and it says f of 0.18. So 0.18 in there is going to give you, this right here is going to be this number, and that times that, all this together on the calculator, of course, is going to be 100 divided by this. So now what happened? Holy cow, at 0.18, your blood alcohol is 0.18, concentration, you're going to have a 99.88. So in other words, if your blood alcohol is 0.18, blood alcohol concentration is 0.18, then you have a 99.89% probability of an accident. Bad news, man. You're going to have an accident. That's what it really tells you. Okay, and I'm going to tell you another thing. Let me write this down if I can. In Texas law, what does this say? If your blood alcohol is greater than or equal to 0.08, then what? Go to jail. Got it? If your blood alcohol is what? 0.08, go to jail. And this person obviously should be in jail. Dangerous hot. Dangerous driver. Dangerous driver. 0.18 of blood alcohol. 0.08 is way beyond 0.08. Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, 0.08, go to jail. What will be the lice population in your head after 0 days? So what? You get infected. You didn't know, but you put somebody's hats on, they tried them on, and you got the lice on it. So 0 days have gone by. Just right now that happened. So now put it in there. 0 times that is 0. That's gonna be 31 and 1 32. This number divided by that is 62.5. So after 0 days, 0 days have gone by. You have 62.5 lice on your head. Itchy, scratchy little guys. They're in your head. No, you can't shampoo them out or wash them out. Okay, you got some medication, okay? Well, what's going to happen? What will be the lice population in your head after 30 days? What? 30 days go by. What happens? There will be more. You know there can be more. So 30 in there, that's going to be that. This is this. So all this, the calculator. So 2,000 divided by this is 199.61. So 199.62. So round it off. So in 30 days, they're all over your head now, all over. Up there where the hair is. There are 1,999.62 lice on your head. All itchy, scratchy every day. You're scratching away. You don't know why. You know why. Get some medications, get rid of it. Okay. What percent of people in Texas did not have a cell phone in 1984? Okay. So in 1984, some people didn't have a cell phone, believe it or not. So find F of 1984, put it in there. 1984 minus 1984 is 0. 0 times that is 0. E to 0 is 1, of course. Or you can do all this in the calculator. You do it on the calculator, you're going to get 1.04 into this. So 100 divided by this. So now, in the year 1984, 96.15, or in the year 1984, 96.15% of the people did not have a cell phone. They did not have a cell phone in 1984. Okay, now, what happened in 2024? Now, yay. What percent of people in Texas did not have a cell phone in 2024? Put it in there, 2024 in there. It's going to be 40 times that is this. Now, I'm going to do all this on my calculator, of course. So I'm going to get this number by this. So now I have 8 point this, so 8.46. So in the year 2024, 8.46% of people did not have a cell phone. In other words, in 2024, what happens? Only 8.46% of people do not have a cell phone. Okay? So everybody else, they have one. Everybody has one. All right. What percent of people did not in Texas did not have a computer in 1984? 40 years ago, I guess, whatever. They didn't have it? Okay, let's see. 84 in there is going to be 0. E to 0 is 1. Times that. All this number by 100 divided by this is going to be 97. All right, so 1984, the year, 97.09% of the people did not have a computer. Okay, 1984, 97.09 did not have a computer. How's that? In Texas. Wow, what percent of people in Texas did not have a computer in 2024? All right, so put it in there. 2024 minus this, 40 times that equals e to that number. And all this in the calculator is this. Divide those numbers is this. So in 2024, the year 2024, 2.43% of the people did not have a computer. So in 2024, 2.43% do not have a computer. Everybody else, they have a computer somewhere. Okay, 2024 anyway. What percent of people in the world will not have the virus COVID-20X? What's that? Different COVID. After 0 days, 0 days go by, what percent of people in the world will not have the virus COVID-20X after 0 days? So put a 0 in there. 0 times 0, e to 0 is 1. 1 times that, all this together, 100 divided by this. So what that tells me is, I rounded it to this. So in 0 days, 99.80% of the people in the world will not have it, will not have COVID-20X. Okay? They won't have it. Okay, 0 days. Now, what happens if time goes by? you know what happens. More people will get it. How many more? What percent of people in the world will not have the virus COVID-20X after 180 days? 180 days go by. This is this number, e to the power of that. All this in the calculator gives me 100 divided by this. Divide those two numbers. What? 1.0 that or 1.01? All right. So in 180 days, what happened? Only 1.01% of the people in the world will not have the COVID-20X virus. What? In 180 days? Yes, 180 days. 1.01% of the people in the world will not have COVID-20X virus. How many of the 400 million people in the USA will not have the COVID-20X virus, huh? After 0 days, put a 0 in there. So that's going to be 0. It's going to be either 0. So 400 divided by this is going to give you this number here. So there's 400 million people right now in the United States. After 0 days, when you first got this thing here, 399.20 million people will not have COVID-20X virus, okay? So out of the 400 million people, 399.20 will not have it. No, they don't have it. Okay? What? Time goes by. So now, how many of the 400 million people in the USA will not have the COVID-20X after 180 days go by? Oof, 6 months. So 180 days go by. What happens now? 180 times this. And that's going to give me this number. And these two numbers, divide them. I'm going to get 4.038, all that, 4.04. So 180 days later, there's 400 million people in the USA. Guess what? 4.04 million people will not have the COVID-20X virus. Only 4.04% will not have it. Everybody else has it. Okay? What? That's the end of that? Okay. So now, hey, go surfing, Padre Island, Mustang Island, Corpus Christi, anywhere you want. Get your surfboard out there in the little 4-foot waves. That'll be fun. Or you got lots of money, go to Hawaii, teach your Hawaiian stuff fun. Mass Shark out there, have fun. Okay, get you broken surfboard. Don't worry about it. Get another one. Take the decals off it. Put it under. Anyway, Hawaii, there you are with all your stuff on. So now, oh, math monsters, nah. College algebra doesn't scare us. This guy's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pretty scary. Why this guy's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pretty scary. How about numbers? 7, 7, nah, they're not scary. How about Crunchy 1, big one like that? That would be pretty scary. Yeah, how about Crunchy 2 and Crunchy 3? Yeah, those two are pretty scary. Anyway, this is Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck, good luck. Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck, good luck, good luck on your college algebra. Okay? Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. said good luck in your college algebra. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Okay? Bye. Later.